Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand and today is class 5. Topic for today is my favorite dish. Listen to the given conversation and answer this question in the comment section below. Here's your question. Which toppings may not be available at Max's home? Introduction. Pal and Max are sitting at a cafe post work. Max wants to cook dinner for himself for a change as his chef is on a holiday. He tells Pal about cooking his favorite childhood dish. Pal says that she would send over the missing toppings to him. Let's see which dish Max picks up for cooking. Conversation. Hi Max, what are you thinking?
Hi pal, my chef is on holiday.
What happened to him? Why did he take a holiday all of a sudden?
His parents are visiting him today, pal, so he needs to take them out for a city visit this evening.
Oh, okay. So how will you manage your dinner tonight, Max?
Pal, I need a change too, so I'm thinking of cooking tonight.
That's nice to know, Max. I love to cook too.
What do you normally cook, pal?
Well, I like to cook Indian, South Indian and Chinese cuisines.
Sounds great, pal.
What are you planning to cook, Max?
Pal, I'm thinking of making Hakka noodles.
Wow! And which noodles are you planning to use, Max?
Pal, I recently bought Leong noodles from a departmental store. They are easy and quick to cook.
That's nice to know, Max.
Yeah,
Which vegetables will you be using, Max?
I'll be using cabbage, carrots, finely chopped onions, garlic, and green capsicum.
That sounds great, Max.
Pal, you know I love noodles since my childhood days.
That's nice to know, Max. Since they have a lot of vegetables, they are healthy too.
Yes, pal.
Which sauces will you be using, Max?
Pal, I'll be using some Szechuan sauce, soya sauce, and a little bit of vinegar in it.
You can top them with some oregano and chili flakes too, Max, along with salt and black pepper.
Sounds like a good idea, pal.
Indeed.
Pal, I'll have to check if oregano and chili flakes are available at home.
Don't worry, Max. If you don't find them at home, you can buzz me and I'll send them over with my driver to you.
Thanks, pal. Sounds good.
Max, do not overcook the noodles. Be careful while boiling them and do not forget to put some salt while boiling.
Sure, pal.
Max, do you know when to place the noodles under running water?
Yes, pal. I'm aware that we have to place them under running cold water soon after they are semi-boiled.
That's right, Max.
I'm excited to cook, pal. Should I send some for you too?
Sure, Max. Once they are ready, let me know. I'll send my driver over to pick them up.
Okay, pal. I'll now make a move as I'm already hungry.
Okay, Max. Looking forward to eating your noodles.
Sure, pal. See you soon. I'll call you once they are ready.
Okay, Max. I'll wait for your call.
Sure, pal.
Happy cooking, Max.
Thank you, pal.
Summary. Max's cook is on a holiday. He needs a change too. Hence, decides to cook his meal himself. He thinks of a dish, discusses that process of cooking this dish with Pal. He also mentions that a few toppings may not be available at his home. Pal offers help in terms of sending the missing toppings with her driver. Max thanks her and mentions to Pal that he will be sending over the cooked dish for Pal too. Friends, English is about listening carefully and responding. Catch the important words. Listen to the sentences carefully. Listen to these conversation classes repeatedly. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning!